Olive oil, the golden liquid of the Mediterranean, has been revered for thousands of years. Its journey begins with the olive tree, an ancient symbol of peace and prosperity. In ancient Greece, olive oil wasn't just for cooking. It was used in religious ceremonies, as a beauty product, and even in the Olympic Games. By the 4th century BC, olive oil had spread across the Mediterranean, becoming an essential part of daily life, from the kitchen to the bathhouse. Today, olive oil continues to be a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, praised for its health benefits and rich flavor. Whether it's drizzled over a salad or used in a gourmet dish, olive oil carries with it centuries of tradition and wisdom. Love food? Love history? Subscribe for more content like this.